guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have never been here before, my name is Casey and thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Today is Thanksgiving and I wanted to make a video, specifically a get ready with me, just because I haven't sat down and talked to you guys in a really long time. So we're just gonna do this. First thing I'm gonna apply is the Professional Primer by Benefit. I'm sure you know it. I'm not going too crazy with my foundation today or anything like that. I'm just like putting a little bit of concealer on just because I don't want that much makeup on tonight, just because we're only going to family's house and not anywhere fancy. So just putting on a little bit of concealer will be fine. And the concealer that I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Concealer in number 5 medium deep, and I'm just putting this on my problem areas just to cancel out some redness as well. So yeah, I am home for Thanksgiving break from college. If you guys don't know where I go, I am at Indiana University studying business at the Kelley School of Business. I have my damp beauty blender here and I'm just gonna blend it in. So leave a comment down below telling me what your Thanksgiving plans were, since this is not gonna go up on Thanksgiving, just because I have plans and I'm busy. But I do want to know what you guys did, so be sure to leave a comment and let me know. I also already have my brows and mascara on. So my original plan was going to my boyfriend's grandma's house with just brows and mascara, but we're in a little bit of a time crunch right now because we have to be there soon, and my boyfriend just told me to film the video and then we don't have to do it later on. So that's why I already have it on, and then plans changed and now we're just doing my full-on makeup, but that's fine. And then tonight we are going to my cousin's house to eat more food, and that should be fun. So yeah, I've been at college for a few months now and it's not too bad. I don't think it's any harder than high school was, to be honest, but it's been pretty good. Okay, that's it for the concealer. We're gonna move on and do our eyes now. I am using the 35F Fall Into Frost Morphe eyeshadow palette, you guys. I got this on sale at Ulta for like $15, and oh my god, I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but I am literally in love. Like, the colors are so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Honestly, not sure what kind of look I am going for today, but we will wing it. I'm just gonna apply a transition shade, and here's the sheet of names. I will refer back to it if I can. Okay, I am going to apply the color Illusion, which is this one right here. And we are going to just apply that into the crease with just like a brush. Actually, this is going all over the lid because it's a transition shade, but mainly focusing it into that crease. Okay, after that, I am going to go into the color Fortune, which is this one right there. I'm just gonna apply that into the crease now. Just defining that a little bit more. So since it's Thanksgiving, that means Black Friday is kind of tonight and tomorrow during the day. And one of the purchases that I have been debating is the Canon G7X Mark II vlog camera, because like I said in a few other videos, I kind of want to transition this channel slowly into vlogs, specifically like daily ones, just because I think it would be more fun for me to do, and I think that's the kind of filming I like to do most. I just don't have that much time to sit down all the time and make videos. But I still will be doing like sit down videos, and my plan is to kind of transition it enough to where when I'm out of college, it will be a full-on vlogging channel, and then I can make a separate sit-down channel where I will make more professional videos like the one you're seeing today. I just have more time when I'm at home and not at college, so I think that would be a good idea. I'm just gonna let you guys know my whole idea of my YouTube channel and where I see it going in the next few years or so, and even in like the further future, more down the line when I'm out of college and like doing my own thing. This is what I kind of picture for my channel. So from here, I want to kind of do sparse vlogs every now and then of just things that I think would be fun for you guys to watch, whether it's me at college, a day in the life, or just randomly going out or something, getting ready to go out, anything like that. That's the kind of vlogs I want to do for you now. But there won't be that many since I am a freshman in my first semester of college. The vlogs aren't going to be that interesting, and next year I already have plans to move into a nice apartment with a few other of my girlfriends, so I want to make moving in vlogs and apartment tours for you guys, which is the whole reason why I kind of wanted to take that next step in getting the vlog camera, whereas before I was not really considering it as much. Like, I knew eventually I would have gotten it, but I wouldn't imagine this soon, especially since I don't really have anything to particularly vlog all the time. But next year I think it will be a lot more fun and interesting for you guys to watch, which is why I want to actually get the camera to start doing that. Okay, now that Fortune is all over my lid, I think I'm going to play around with, crease, I'm sorry. I'm going to play around with the lids now. I have no idea what I even want to do, but we will see. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this color Vintage right here and apply this all over my lid, kind of avoiding the crease a little bit, but like blending it slightly into there. Okay, anyway, continuing with my story. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. And then just filming the rest of my time at college and not having like a strict upload schedule as of yet. But once I get out, that's when I really want to start daily vlogging, depending on how busy I am, if I get a job right away or if I'm looking for one or if I take a gap year, we will see. But you guys know that I have a boyfriend who I plan on probably moving in with after college, and I want to daily vlog with him as well. And then we'll do a whole like moving series and decorating, and I just have this whole vision in my head of what I want to do. Travel vlogs is what I really want to get into as well. As you guys can see, there's still a few on my channel that I have to upload, but I did upload some from my trip to Punta Cana, and that was a great experience for me. I loved filming every day like that. That's kind of what I want to do. And then eventually when I am ready, I want to do a family vlog channel, which I'm completely inspired by KK and Baby J and OK Baby and all of those channels. I just think they're so fun to watch, and I want to document my children's life like that. So I think that would be so fun to do. And then of course have a separate channel that's just for me and sitting down like this and doing makeup videos, because I do enjoy doing makeup, as you can see, but I don't consider myself a full-on makeup guru. Okay, this color is a little darker than expected, so I'm going to try and lighten that up. I really want to use one of these cool, like really pretty pink shades, just because I'm wearing pink and I think it would go well together. I'm using this brush from the Naked palette because it has like a good like compact brush. I think I'm gonna go in with Ariel, this color right here on the edge. It's super pretty and magenta and gorgeous. And then I'm going to pack that kind of in the middle, center of the lid. Oh. And then blending it a little bit outwards. Okay, yeah. This pigment is insane, and it's showing up so much better using this brush than the other one that I used. I'm just gonna blend that slightly into the crease. So all in all, I kind of want to encompass like a variety of different kinds of videos for you guys, and not just the typical like professional setting. I kind of want to let you guys into my life a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna take this color Hazel right down here and then kind of blend all of that together, more focused on the inner half of the crease and blending it slightly outwards. And as for the daily vlogging with my boyfriend, I already talked to him about it. I told him my vision for this channel, and he thinks it's a great idea. He is all for it, and he's actually sitting right here helping me film. Now I kind of want to add a little bit of depth into my outer V area, so I'm going to take the black as little as possible. I'm so afraid. And then it's called Obsidian. I'm just going to pop that on the outer. Oh, it's already so dark. I'm happy with that kind of dimension. I'm just gonna go back in with the Fortune color and bring that out, blend everything together, sort of thing. And then going back in with this pink color and bringing that color out as well. Now we're gonna work this lower lash line. I'm gonna take the matte shade, which the whole bottom row are mattes, which is so nice. And I'm gonna blend that just right underneath the lash line a little bit to blend it together and connect it with this side. If you guys have any other ideas for this channel or video requests you want to see or anything, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment below. I would love to know what you guys think. I know on my channel, one of the more popular videos is the Hello Molly review. If you guys want more reviews, if you want more makeup tutorials, if you want more get ready with me's, talk throughs, I appreciate the feedback. Like always, I am making videos for you guys. So you're the audience, you let me know. I think I want this color, which is Intuition. It's like this dark purple. I don't know. I'm just playing around, guys. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna focus it on the outer V rather than like all the way across, and I just want to smoke that out a little bit and like push it out as if I'm like creating like a cat eye. And then what I like to do is I like to take a tiny brush like this. This is actually a lip brush, but I don't use it for that. And I'm gonna dip into Obsidian and I'm gonna line like my lash line. I just love the way that looks. Not a big fan of eyeliner. I just like this smokier look. I feel like when I put eyeliner into my waterline, it makes my eyes look a little bit smaller, and I would much rather prefer the more open look on my eye shape. And then going back in with this flat brush, taking a highlight, I'm gonna go in with Champagne, which is the second color on the top. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, I just wanna swatch this real quick. I don't even know if you can see that, but so pretty. I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner. And then as well as the inner corner, I'm taking that same color and highlighting my brow bone up here slightly. That is so pretty. Right in between my crease color and that highlight, I'm gonna put a transition shade. I'm using the lightest one on the bottom, which is Bliss, just to blend everything. Blend the tops, blend the bottom of the highlight. Make everything pretty seamless and blended. So I've had this liquid eyeliner by Rimmel London called the Scandal Eyes for so long, and it's still like jet black. Like, don't know how it hasn't ran out yet, but it hasn't. I should probably replace it, but it just works so well. All right, this is gonna require some precision, so you're gonna go blurry a little bit and really bright. And then winging it out looks pretty good. I am going to highlight my face using the Carly Bible palette, which I love. We're going to use this like pinky one because I'm pink today. Just gonna highlight my cheekbones. And then using my tiny brush, wiping out all the black, doing my nose highlight and the bridge. And then of course, can't forget the Cupid's bow. I'll probably retouch that up when I apply lipstick. But now I'm going to just apply some lashes. These are some cheapy ones that my mom gave me. Don't know where she got them, don't know how, but they look like this. I'm gonna apply some lash glue. Okay. One. Why is it not turning off? What the fuck? Can you unplug it? Okay, one lash on. We're gonna do the other lash. Okay, I have my lashes on, and now I'm going to apply a lip. I'm going to apply the Bare Minerals Friendship Matte Liquid Lip. This is like kind of my go-to. I love it. Okay, my lips are on. The whole look is pretty much complete. Let me just spritz some Urban Decay All Nighter all over. And that is the finished look, you guys. I do have some really fun videos planned that will probably come to you in December or January or something like that, because that is when I will be home next and that is when I will have time to film it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. Happy Thanksgiving. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below saying what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Like it, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video, which I'm so excited for. It's gonna be so exciting. Hope you enjoyed. Have an amazing holiday, and I will see you all next time.